Good morning. It is Saturday, February 17th, and I will have more sheath making and more hand sanding and edging of things to do. So the big one is looking great. I went ahead and tooled this because the impression in the test piece took really well. So I did that beautiful basket weave, and then even on the belt loop there, looking good. So today I will stitch it and then clean up all the edges and get some edge coat on it, and that one will be done. This one, so this is the standard Hunter. I still need to stitch the belt loop and then fold over and stitch the belt loop, and so I still have a lot of stitching to do on that one. May or may not finish it today depending on how the day goes, but this one will get done and this Kydex one will get done. So I'll have at least 2 more everyday carry knives in stock by the end of the day, maybe 3, we'll see. And then if I finish all of that early, I will start on some more kitchen knives because we always need kitchen knives in stock. So that's really my plan for the day. Here's Danny with what he's got going on.
Hey y'all, just to get you caught up with what's going on in my world, my batch is pretty much coming up to the end and ready for heat treat. I've got grinds in about 1/3 of the way, down to about 030, which is where I like to be on the majority of my knives. I've also got the custom that I'm doing. I will clean up some more of that jimping here, but the grinds are both put in. And then I've also got some lightening up of the tang. I've been taking these gyotos here and cutting them out so that way it lightens them up. I'm very excited for those as well. That's gonna possibly be the majority of my day. And then on to a refurb, rehandle of a kukri, try and get a copper bolster drilled up and fitted for it. Excuse me. We'll try and edit that out. But without further ado, we're going to go ahead and go into our favorite place with our favorite guy, Russell. What's up, bud?
It's good.
What are we talking about today?
Today we're talking about another one of the new Kershaw knives. This is the Layup. So this is another duralock. This is another one that's made in China. This is the first assisted duralock. So made in D2 steel. It has this textured FRN handle, which I love the feel of this. And I like this little blue plate in the back. It just covers up what you'd see of the internals of the duralock. Really like that feature, just cleans up. Now it only cleans up the left side of it. So if you're right-handed, you'll have a prettier knife than if you're left-handed. I can talk. Comes with a deep carry pocket clip like all of these have, and just a nice action. A note on this action: this is not a speed safe, so it's not the same mechanism that they have in like the Leek and the Scallion. It is a little bit slower, but it is still effective. It does mean you can't close it one-handed. You have to do something else with it. And you also can't deploy the knife with the axis lock. You've got to use that flipper. So if you're looking for a budget duralock in the Kershaw lineup, there is the Layup.
Right on. All right, y'all. We'll wrap it up here to give off the weekend and see you next week. We appreciate y'all watching. Make sure you're liking, subscribing, hitting all the good buttons for us. We appreciate the love. We'll see you on the next one.